Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll create and schedule WhatsApp Business App and live chat blasting. Let's start with WhatsApp. Open blasting and select WhatsApp Business App. Click Create Blasting to start a new campaign. Give the blasting a clear internal name. Enter the message you want to send to your audience. You can also attach media if needed. Next, select the inbox that will send the message. Choose your audience using a customer label. Choose when you want the blasting to be sent. Messages can be sent gradually using batch and delay setting. Then click Create. The blasting is now scheduled and ready to send at the selected time. Now let's configure a website live chat blasting. From blasting, select Live Chat and click Create Blasting. Give the live chat blasting a clear internal name. Enter the message you want website visitors to see. Next, select the website inbox used for this campaign. Select the sender that will appear with the live chat message. Set the website URL where this live chat campaign should apply. You can also configure a time on page condition. In this example, we'll use 10 seconds. When the configuration is ready, enable the blasting. The live chat campaign is now enabled. That's how to configure WhatsApp and website live chat blasting. Next tutorial, we'll set up calendar booking and scheduling. Subscribe for next tutorial.